guys, and look at that. The Cobra is on the bottom for once. Today, we are not taking both cars, we're just taking the Cobra. We're gonna go for a ride in the Cobra. And there's another little car meet every Sunday in the area, so we're gonna go check that out. And I think I'm gonna stick the GoPro somewhere on the bumper here just to get an exhaust clip. I haven't gotten one of those yet. So let's get the car out. Brand new R8, and it has the same tires that the Shelby have. Oh my god, they have a drone. That's what I need next for the channel. Not gonna lie, I would love to bring something like this to the channel. Just a little SN95 build. Maybe. And a F430. We're back here in the garage. I had the camera somewhere back there on the bumper, and hopefully I got good audio. I haven't had the chance to look back on it yet. And I don't know about the angle I had up there at the top of the windshield. I'm just trying out new GoPro angles to try. This is the video for today. If you guys did enjoy this video, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.